To assemble this imitation, have your invitation card, your middle layer, and your bottom layer, along with your supplied sheet of glue dots in front of you. So first, press down 4 glue dots onto the backer card. Leave a little bit of a margin because when you place the middle layer over it, you don't want those glue dots to show through. So carefully position it so it's nice and centered. Then put down 4 more glue dots onto the middle layer. Well, sometimes they don't like to stick. Then pick up the invitation card and carefully position it once again. Press it down and you're ready to move on to final assembly.